ZZ2E Powerbank Print Tutorial. Measure the width and height of the charging bank to be printed. Scan the code with your phone to select a custom template. The width height is set to the width height of the measured charger bank. The arc angle can be set by pulling the radius of the rounded corner. Color ink or white plus color depending on the item. Current selection of color ink. Select or upload an image to print. You can scale the picture manually. Click Layout. Typography can set the number of printed power banks. Click OK to complete the layout. Place an order now to generate a print job. Calibrate the height of the platform and the nozzle by pressing the front button to then return. The computer client selects the task to be printed. Print the wireframes first to confirm the position of the charging bank. Confirm print. Print in the wireframe. The wireframe is printed. Place the power bank in line with the wireframe and secure it with double-sided tape. Calibrate the height of the charging bank and the nozzle by pressing the front button to then return. The computer client continues to select the task to be printed. Click to print. In Print Products, the charging bank is printed.